This firework makes zero sound, but it's about to blow your mind. Japanese engineers cracked the impossible code. They removed the explosive charge completely. Instead, they used compressed air to launch biodegradable light capsules. But the most powerful moments in life, they whisper. Each burst creates pure visual magic colors that dance across the sky in complete silence. I'm testing it right now in this soundproof chamber. The decibel meter, it's reading exactly 0. We've been convinced that beauty needs to be loud.